Hey guys, I know you haven't seen a video for a long time now. I do have one from a vacation I'll post probably, well, maybe not before this, I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, just up on Bird Ridge today. It's kind of the first hike of the season. It's gonna be a really windy day. I don't know if we'll go all the way to the top, but at least go halfway. So, yeah, we'll just be heading up. Broke out of the woods a couple minutes ago. Pretty nice view. We are not even close to I think we're closing on halfway maybe now. We're a little over a third of the way through. But trail so far is pretty good. A little muddy in some spots, but not bad at all. So just be heading up. Well, still doing good. Trail's still really good. Yeah, we made it to the bench. So, yeah, let's keep heading up. Get a little snack first. Found a calmish spot here. And I believe the top is kinda right back there. I don't know if you can really see it from here. It's kind of difficult, but yeah, just back there. Still got a decent ways to go, but not too bad. Yeah, it's wind's really not too bad right here. So yeah, be making my way. Probably take me another 45 minutes or so. Been going for about an hour so far. Just did the first little snow crossing here. This one wasn't bad at all. Didn't post hole at all. People had already packed down the trail pretty good. And it's not very warm today, so it's not very mushy. So hopefully it stays like this, because we do have a lot of snow to clear. Looks like there's quite a bit from kind of here on out. So I'll continue heading up. Well, got out to the main section here. Top just a little bit further. I just gotta follow the footprints as far as they go. If they stop, then I'll stop. But yeah, nice day. So I mean, I guess it's not that nice of a day really. It's pretty windy. Yeah. My windbreaker on yet, so I'm gonna put that on. And then I'll head up. Oh yeah, I think I mentioned it before, but these little running gloves are so great. It's like all season to have something to do with them. Spraying to keep your hands warm. Later in the season, they help with those rocky parts. So yeah, definitely would throw a pair of those in your pack. Footprints kept going. I'm guessing I'll probably stop right up here. But I don't think I've ever actually stood up here. I've been actually walked past it. Yeah, okay. Well, alright, I came over here. That's the little marker thing. Yeah, nice hike today. Pretty good to get out. Haven't really done much hiking this winter. Been kind of lazy. Skiing and stuff. Wasn't really doing too much. But yeah. Anyway, yeah, probably just gonna end it here. Just be heading back down. Yeah, so I guess expect to see some more videos from me coming up. I'll try to do some more. We'll try to do some new ones this year. Maybe penguin. I always talk about it when we're up here and then I never end up doing it. I did it once years ago with my dad, but I wasn't doing the channel at that time. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Probably a little bit of footage on the way down. Oh, I didn't really mention before, but it is mid-May already. Had kind of a slow start to the hiking season. Our snow didn't really melt too quickly, but I'll definitely start getting out more now. Alright, that was definitely not my fastest Bird Ridge one, but we're almost down, probably about 5 minutes, so be a little over 3.5 hours, probably closer to like 3:40. So I'll see you on the next one.